So today we are at a very special property. We are at 1089 Old Mill in Hendersonville, North Carolina. This is a modern 2-bed, 2-bath cabin that also comes with a bonus studio right around the corner from the main house. This property is on over 8 acres, tons of privacy, but also within about 30 minutes to downtown Hendersonville and the Asheville airport. So let's hop inside and take a look. So we are inside now. This is really a beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath home, completely refreshed in many ways. We have brand new flooring, mini splits in both the bedrooms and the main living area. Fresh paint all around. It really is just a beautiful home. So let's go check it out and see what else it has. Equally as nice as the main house, but detached, is the studio. This place has all brand new paint as well, mini splits, and also has its private full bathroom back there in the corner. So lots to love here as well.